this is Jamila, Moto Zumbi. I thought I'd give an audio commentary here. I was very disappointed to find out that the controls and the grips didn't fit the circumference of the new handlebars. They fixed that by cutting off the handlebar section and welding them to the new handlebars. It went through some powder coating. I think they did a really good job. Everything looks seamless. But what do you think? It wouldn't be a real upgrade if everything went smoothly. Well, after installing the handlebars, these images show that the speedometer was off-centered. So they had to build or craft together a harness or a bracket in order to help with the alignment of the speedometer. All in all, they did an amazing job with handling all the hiccups, and the end result, my ride is so much better. I really do enjoy being able to not lean so far forward. It felt like I was just really stretching as I was riding. The handlebars, the original stock handlebars, were entirely too low. But now these handlebars are 8 inches. So it feels a lot more ergonomically correct for me. It's a much smoother ride. And I have to say, when you are riding your motorcycle, it's great to be able to have a motorcycle stock and everything fits. But it's even better when you are able to go out and customize, picking your seat. In this case, I was adjusting the handlebars, getting your lights, foot pegs, backrest. You know, there are so many things that you can get in order to improve your ride, make sure it's comfortable for you. And what is good for you or a good fit for you may not be a good fit for someone else. I found that adding the batwing fairing has really and truly helped with the wind. So when I'm riding, whether it be on the freeway or just down the street, the winds are high. Having a taller windshield and the width really takes a lot of that wind gust off of you. So overall, I'm very pleased with my upgrades. I'll more than likely add more. I'm at the moment looking for a top case. I just really want something that I can store my modular helmet in. Something similar to what I had with my Honda ADV 160. But at this point, I'm pleased with the current upgrade. I really enjoy the handlebars, and you all stay tuned for the rest of my journey. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. I appreciate it.